Sometimes I feel like I have multiple personalities. That's what my psychiatrist says anyway. So today I feel like I'm this person. And I haven't figured out who this person is yet. And then on other days, I feel like I'm 3 different people. Whew, that's hard. For real. It's a hard day. Oh, yes it is. But then I have 3 different people in my head. So of course I talk to myself. Sometimes my multiple personalities can really kick me in the lady balls. Girls, if you haven't found those balls yet, you will. People always say that I can talk to myself as long as I don't answer myself. But I'm not rude. So of course I always answer myself. Duh. I don't like this personality. It looks so weird. I don't like it.
I don't even know what to say about this personality right here, but I don't like it.
This personality is not bad.
So if I keep feeling like I have all these multiple personalities, but my psychiatrist says I'm making progress, should I believe her?